Welcome to ChatGenie. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up your Facebook ad seamlessly, directing users to your Messenger in-app store, boosting your conversion rates effectively. Let's begin. Now, what is Facebook ads? Facebook ads help businesses reach specific audiences effectively, leading to increased engagement and conversions, while also providing tools to analyze and improve campaign performance for better returns on investment. Now, let's explore the steps to set up your Facebook ad, leading customers to your Messenger in-app store. Setting up your Facebook ads involves several straightforward steps. Please note that you'll need access to your Meta Ads Manager and your ChatGenie dashboard. Creating an ad objective. On your Meta Ads Manager page, go to Campaigns and click the Create button. Select traffic as an ad objective since it's the best way to drive more customers into your in-app store. Choose a campaign setup. Select Recommended Settings. Click Continue. Name your ad campaign. Next, go to the new traffic ad set and fill out the necessary details. For traffic, leave it as is, which is website. Select your preferred traffic goal. Set your budget. Choose between daily budget and lifetime budget, then input the amount for the specific budget. Choose your target run dates for the schedule. Select the locations you want to target. Set your ad audience's age. For placements, you can customize your ad placement options or keep them as they are. Once done, proceed to set the specifics of your creative assets. Setting up creative assets. Click the new traffic ad. Set your ad name. Choose the Facebook account that you will be using for the ad. Modify the ad setup. Create ad, use existing post, or use Creative Hub mockup posts. For the ad creative, click Add Media. Select Add Image. Upload the photo you will be using for your ad. Then click Next. Please ensure that Original is selected as the option, as Facebook may automatically choose other radio buttons at times. Additionally, you have the option to replace the material with the correct dimensions if desired. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. Click Done. Input primary text and headline. Input description. Select Shop Now as your call to action. For the destination, click Website. To generate a website URL, follow these steps. Generating a website URL. Navigate to your ChatGenie dashboard and click the Referral button. On the top right corner, select Add. Specify your desired referral link name. Enter the referral link, which can be a code or a word appearing at the end of your link. Choose a sales channel and click Add. Once you've generated your referral link, simply copy it. Finalize and Publish Ad. Go back to your Ads Manager page and paste the link on the website URL space. Once done, you can publish your ad and you're good to go. As a result, when your customers click the button, they will be seamlessly redirected to your in-app store. Additionally, you now have the capability to track the number of clicks and orders generated by your referral link on your ChatGenie dashboard. This valuable data will empower you to gauge the effectiveness of your strategy and optimize your approach for enhanced engagement and conversions. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Stay updated by regularly visiting our website and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.